So I know it's been a really long time since I've been on YouTube, and I'm just gonna put together this quick little video. I'm not gonna talk for too long because it's like 105 degrees out here right now. So yeah. Anyways, this is the same Scion XB that I've had for a long time. My brother had it for a little while, but I have it again. He wanted to get a new car, and I bought this back from him. It's got like 180,000 miles on it now, but it's still running good. You know, it's got a couple of, you know, little cosmetic issues here and there, but overall, it's in really good shape. You know, the spoiler is a little bit faded, that kind of deal. But so I took this car and I pulled the motor out of it, and I fully built the motor, and I rebuilt the transmission, put a limited slip diff in the transmission, and put, you know, camshafts, ported head, everything to this motor, and I put a precision 57mm turbo on it. And it's making right now on low boost, which is 12 psi on pump gas, 93 pump gas, it's making 360 horsepower at the wheels and 333 torque at the wheels. It's got the weapon R intake manifold. I deleted all the pulleys. It just has crankshaft water pump alternator with a custom alternator pulley. It's a little bit bigger because the motor revs real high. Revs out to 8,500 RPMs now. No belt tensioner, no idler pulleys, no AC. It's got electric power steering, so I don't gotta worry about that. Runs on the AEM EMS4. I've got the boomslang jumper harness, so I don't have to cut a whole bunch of wires. And ID 1050 injectors. So it's got a Mishimoto 4-inch core J-line intercooler. So yeah, so that's what I've been up to, you know, working and, you know, working on this car. It took me just under a year to complete it. It's more like 8 or 9 months, I guess. And got pretty sticky tires on it right now too, because I'm actually actively racing it at Texas Motor Speedway. They have a Friday Night Drags series that I've been a part of for a very long time, about as long as I've had this car. And brought it out there, and I'm not kicking butt, but I'm having fun. I'm beating a few cars. They put me in the V8 division, so I'm going up against Corvettes, Mustangs, Camaros, and all that. And they're fairly stock for the most part. You know, they might have drag radials, exhaust, intake, tune, stuff like that, but they can't have cams or heads or force induction, nitrous, nothing like that. So, a lot of fun. Really enjoying it, but I just wanted to show this. I'm going to put a couple of videos and maybe a couple of pictures of the build in this video. I wish I did more videos during the engine build. I wish I documented it better, but I was more concerned about just getting it done than dragging out the process, because I, you know, didn't really care to do any kind of how-tos or pointers or anything like that. I can maybe make some videos of that later, but, you know, as far as what I did in this motor, all I can do is explain it. You know, I might have a couple of pictures here and there, but anyways, I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all look forward to seeing some more videos in the future, because I definitely look forward to making them. This is the ultimate sleeper, I'm going to say, because Scion specifically gets a lot of hate, kind of like Honda, but Honda actually has some fast cars to kind of back up their, you know, the hate that they get. And Scion, on the other hand, does not. There's nowhere near as many fast Scions as there are fast Hondas. So it's pretty cool, and not to mention you know, it's a box. So so yeah, you know, I could have a twin turbo V8 whatever, you know, 2J super motor, RB Nissan motor, and people would still look at this car and be like, oh, it's slow because it's square, you know. And I've beat a handful of V8 cars, and it's a blast every single time, and I just can't wait to keep doing it. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, and enjoy the stuff that I add on to the end of this, because at this point I don't know what it's going to be. And comment with any questions, and let me know if you know what kind of videos you'd like to see. I'm going to get more into details later on this car. It would take me a long time on the first video. I haven't planned anything out, so I just wanted to, you know, put, I guess, a very unprofessional trailer out there as to what's to come for this car. Anyways, thanks a lot.
Jack, did you see?
You know, last week, he's a sleeper.
Yep.
And I'd love to tear that engine apart because I think he's also heating a little bit. Don't know that for a fact. That's me talking. You ain't one for that. That's his mom's Scion. But you know, I thought he was last week, he was the fastest.
But still was waving at the line as he went by. All right, this is slightly fascinating here. He's going to do it again. Pull it away. I love it.
Yeah, I do too. A Scion being a Mustang. Chase is back in his mama's Scion.
I dominate the 10 and under league, by the way. How about that? That bet's got some pride hitting that run.
Oh, yeah. Go to that house.
But you may just see your handiworking yourself on Big Hoss TV.
Chased in lane 1 driving his mama's car against his Corvette. This is going to be interesting.
Don't count out Chase. Nope. There you go.
Woo! Go Chase!
How about that? I'm telling you, he's raced here all 10 seasons, and that his first year, that was his mother's vehicle.